Good morning, children. Open your textbook, semester 2 textbook. Last class only we started semester 2 textbook now, children. We finished multiplication. Multiplication on is repeated addition. For multiplication, which sign we will use? Multiplication. We will use into sign. This sign we will use. For addition, plus. Subtraction, minus we will use. Now I gave homework note, children, 70, 71 page number. Or you colored the table, skip count in twos and color the number. I said no. In number scale is there, no. In number scale you want to color. 71, 70 over, no, children. Like that only 73, 74 also you want to do. Now first I will give you the homework. Homework in textbook only. Maths textbook. Page number 75 to 78. Page number 75 to 78 in textbook. Homework, children. Take page number 75. 7 tables is there. You want to write tables and skip count 7s in color and color the number, and also like that only 8, 9, 10. Now we'll start the textbook work. Before going to textbook, you take rough note, children. What I am writing now, that you want to write in the rough note only. This is homework. Let's learn the tables fact. First, let's learn the tables fact. Now, first one, see that 2 times table. Now, 2 times table means 2 tables. You don't write anything, children. Already is there. You want to listen properly. Listen first. First point is draw a circle. Draw a circle and write digits. Write digits 0 to 9 as shown. See, already one circle given in the textbook now, children. Rough note only. In rough note, you want to write like this. Circle. Skip count in second dot. Skip count in twos and follow the pattern. Listen, skip count in twos. Twos means you want to skip here. 0, is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now it's 0 to 5. Now 2 tables now, children. Here you want to write 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. If you write here 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. See, we finished now. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. This is the pattern, children. Write 2 times table by writing the pattern in ones place. See the pattern in the tens shape. Tens shape. See the pattern in the tens shape here. 10 also will come. If 2 10s are 20 also will come. Now like that only 4 time tables also, 8 time tables also, children. Now we will go to page number 80. Page number 80. Once again I will do this. See, draw a circle and write digits 0 to 9 as shown. 0 to 9 we written now, children. Skip count in twos and follow the pattern. 2 numbers you want to skip. First 0. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. If you return another one digit extra, again 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Like that we can finish the tables. Like that there only in that pattern only you can finish. Now go to page number 80. Page number 'You don't want to write, children, only listen properly. Now, an easy way to learn 3, 6, 7 and 9 tables by tic-tac-toe method. In tic-tac-toe method, you can learn easy method. Tic-tac. Tic-tac method, children. Tic-tac-toe method. Tic-tac-toe method. Now, first we will do 3 tables. Here. First we will write only 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 5 6 are 18, 3 5 8, 21, 24, 27. In this you want to join 0, 0, 0. Before the digit, no, children. Your digit, no, before the digit you want to write 0, 0, 0. In second column you want to 1, 1, 1. Before the digit you write 1, 1, 1. Before the digit you want to write 2, 2, 2. Already we written, no. Now say the tables. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27. Like that, easy way to learn. First you write the numbers. In first column, you write before the digit you write 0. Second column before the digit you write 1. Third column before the digit you write 2, children. Now we will go to 6 tables. Six tables. Write 1 to 9 in the order shown. 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Order shown you want to write like this. First column you want to write 0, 0. Before the digit you want to write. In second column 1, 1, 1. Before the third column you want to write 2, 2, 2. Now we will write just 0, 0, 0. Here 1, 1, 1. Here 2, 2, 2. Understood, children? Now see here, diamond shape we will draw. Second column. Again we write the number 1, 9 in the order as shown. 1, 9 in the order shown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In second column you want to write 3, 3, 3. Fourth column 4, 4, 4. See, in first column before the digit, what you want to write? 3, 3, 3. Here second column, see the digit 4, 4 you want to write before the digit. Here 5, 5, 5. Understood, children? Like that, now you want to finish the 6 tables. See here. Here, both the side diamond shape is there, no children? Now start from writing. 6 ones are 6. First 0, 6, right? 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. Sorry, this is 18, children. Here 6 fives are, here you want to write 30. 6 fives are 30. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. Understood, children? First column you want to write here 30. Here also 60. First is here 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. We finished here 6 tables. Now we will go to legs. That same thing only. 7 tables also like that only. In first column you want to, before the digit you want to write 0, 1, 2. Second column before the digit 2, 3, 4. Third column you before the digit you write 4, 5, 6. You can easily do the 7 tables. First you write the order shown, children. Now we finished the 6 now. 6 tables we finished. Now I am going to write 7 tables. See, 7 tables. First we will write 1, 9 in the order shown. See, you want to start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Order shown means see the tables properly. Write in 1, 9 in the order shown. Now first column you want to write 0, 1, 2. Second column which number you want to write? 2, 3, 4. Third column 4, 5, 6. These numbers you want to write in this digit before digit number. This digit is there, no children? Before you want to write this number. This 0 you want to write before 7. This 1 you write before 4. This 2 before 1. Now here 2, here 3, here 4, here 4, here 5, here 6. Now say the table. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 sixes are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 1 nines are 63. 7 tens are 70. Like that only, same 9 tables. Now we will finish 9 tables also. Write the number shown. 0, 9 in the order shown. 1, see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For 9 tables you want to order like this. You want to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now before first column, what you want to join there? First column 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. Second column 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Third column 6, 7, 8. Understood, children? In the first column, write 0. 9 ones are 9. First one. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. Here 3. Here 4. Here 5. Here 6, 7, 8. Now say the tables 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. 9 tens are 90. Understood, children? If you practice tables only, then only you can do. If you learn tables correctly, then only you can do multiplication easily. Now we'll go to next main, page number 81 only. Page number 81. Now see a multiplication fact. Now open your textbook, children, page number 81, multiplication fact. Multiplication of any number and 1 is the number itself. If children, if any number, take 8, take 6, take 7. If you do in the multiplication with 1, what will get? The same answer, same number only will get. 6 ones are 6. Here 7 ones are 7. Any number, if you multiply with 1, you will get same 8 only. Same number will come. Understood like that only? Now see a flowers. Flowers. See here, 1 plus 1, here 1, here 1, here 1. How many ones we used here, children? 5. Into 1 equal 5 ones are. If any number multiply with 1, you will get same this number only you will get here. 5 ones are 5. If we add also, we will get 5. If you do multiplication also, you will get 5. Here 4 ice cream is there. See, here 1, here 1, here 1, here 1. See how many ones we used here? 4. Multiplication sign 1. Which number we used here? 1. See, if we add also we'll get 4. If we do multiply, see here, multiply with 1. If any number multiply with 1, what you will get? Same number only. 4 ones are 4. Same number only you will get. Now, therefore, any number multiplied by 1 gives the number itself. Therefore, any number multiplied 1 gives the number 1 itself. Understood, children? Finish it in the rough note. Now, I will go to fill up the blanks. Now sharp your pencil, writing in the textbook, no children, you want to sharp the pencil. Fill up the blanks. Now here 7 into 1 dash, 8 into dash, 6 into dash, sorry, 3 into dash equals to 3, your 8. 5 into 1 dash. Now 5 into 1 is equal to dash. 4 into dash is equal to 4. 2 into dash is equal to dash. One into dash is equal to 1. Listen here, children. Now see here, number is 7. Multiplying by 1. What will come here? Same. 7 ones are same number will come here. 7 ones are. See, already 8 is there. Product also 8 is there. By which number you want to multiply? 1. If you multiply with 1, you will get same number. 8 ones are 8. Here also 6 ones are 6. You don't see any, see the numbers, children, here. If multiply with 1, you will get same number here. See, here also 3, here also 3. Which number you want to multiply? 1. If you multiply with 1, you will get same number here also 3. Here 1. Here, sorry, here 5. This side 5 is here 1. Product is 5 means which number you want to multiply? 5 ones are 5. Same number. Here 5 ones are 5. Already 4 given. 4 product means 1. Multiply number means 4. 4 ones are 4. 2 ones are 2. 9 ones are 9. 1 ones are 1. Like that only fill up the blanks. Now go to page number 82. Page number 82. See the children, there are 3 empty trays. Trays is there. 3 empty trays. See, in tray, nothing is there. 0. Here also, in this tray also, nothing is there. So you have to write 0. 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 are, how many zeros are here? 3 0. 3 into which number? 3 zeros are? 3 zeros are how much, children? 0. If multiply with 0 means 0 only will come. 3 zeros are 0. 0 added 3 times is 0. 3 times 0 is also 0. There are 4 vertical sticks and no horizontal sticks. So no junctions are formed. See, 4 horizontal vertical lines is there. See, here 0, here 0, here 0, here 0. Here no horizontal lines, no children. So you want to write 0, 0. If you add 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. If 4 into 0 equals 0 only will come. See here 3 row. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. If multiply with 0, you will get 0 only, children. If in addition, see, in addition, 4 plus 0 means you will get 4. 4 minus 0 means you will get 4. For multiplication, 4 zeros are 0. Understood, children? For multiplication, 4 zeros are 0. For addition, 4 plus 0 means you will get 4. For subtraction, you will get 4 minus 0 means 4. But for multiplication only, you will not get number. Only you will get 0. If 3 zeros are 0. 4 zeros are 0. Here 4 zeros are 0. Like that only. Therefore, when we multiply with any number by 0, we get 0 only. See, if we multiply with 0, this is example, some children don't write it. See, if we multiply with 0, you will get 0 only. 8 zeros are 0. 6 zeros are 0. 3 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. Here also. Five zeros are 0. 4 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0. 9 zeros are 0. 1 zeros are 0. If any number with multiply with 0, you will get 0 only, children. Therefore, we had 0. Now multiply any number by 0, we get 0 only. Now we'll go to vertical multiplication of one digit number by a one digit number without carrying. Page number 82 only. Next main. Next main, vertical multiplication. Vertical multiplication of one digit number by a one digit number. Without carrying. Without carrying, now we are doing the sums. 4, 3, multiplication sign. 5, 7, 4, 7, 3, 2nd line, 5, 8, 0, 9, 8, 9, No, children, tables you want to practice daily, then only you can do multiply easily. Now see, 4 multiplied 3 by 3. You can say 3 tables also, you can say 4 tables also. See, now say the tables 3 till 4 you want to say. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. See, 3 fours are 12. Yeah, say the table 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35. See the number down, which number is there? 4, no children, 4 tables you want to say. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. Now say the tables 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14. Now say the tables 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24. Now say the table 7 zeros are how much? 0. I said no children, any number multiply with 0 means you will get 0 only. Yeah, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16. Like that only you want to say the tables and write neatly. 9 sixes are, 6 nines are, same ones. 6 nines are 54, 6 sevens are 42, 8 eights are, how much 8 eights are? 64. 6 sixes are 36, 9 nines are 81, 7 sevens are 49. Understood, children? Today we finished vertical multiplication. If we see here number, down number means this is vertical. If you write this, this is the horizontal multiplication. See, we did vertical multiplication, children. So daily you want to practice the tables. I gave homework, no? Page number 70, 75 to 78, you want to finish. And numbers, skip counting tens and color the numbers. We want to color the numbers, children. I hope you all are finished the tables. Last class I gave, no? That also you want to color it. This also you want to color. Thank you, children.